Hello everybody, welcome to TAMCO Bite Size, and today we're talking about our patent protected IBLED. So this is our flagship LED high bay that we sell here in the TAMCO brand. It's nice and unique. If I pick the fixture up, you'll see that we actually bend the belly pan on the fixture. That allows us to have a much wider LED array that's being produced from the unit. So why is that important? That's great if you have a manufacturing site or if you've got a warehouse. It gives you a much wider beam spread, which is great for less shadowing on the walls, but more importantly, like high visibility on those warehouse racking. So what we also use is high grade gear as well. So on our LED boards, we have over 166 lumens per watt. Plus we've got high CRI ratings on the chips as well. Plus we can do custom if requested. And talking about custom, we can even do custom colors. So white is our standard option. We can also do black. Or if you give us Pantones, we can match any color that you want. On top of that as well, we also have like accessory options. We can add whips, sensors, wire guards, lenses. We can even do emergency backup on these units. Okay, and talking about the array of options that we have as well, we can go anywhere from 15,000 lumens all the way up to 50,000 lumens. So if you want to find out more information, go to the TAMCO website and check out the spec sheet. And that's all from us today. We'll see you next time on TAMCO Bite Size.